Chapter 7, the reservation list. And now, let's explore the versatile management tool for all your reservations. The reservation list is your one-stop shop for all the reservations made using your Resengo widget. Open the list to see reservations, beginning with today's, and then apply filters to get exactly what you need. You can sort by specific services, check your archived past reservations for historical trends, or use the eye to sort by any feature. And filtering is just the beginning. When you locate the reservation you need, all of the information and actions are there at a click. You can find the data you need, modify, remove, or change the status of the reservation, even email the guest, all in one place. That's the convenience of the reservation list. Next up, we'll showcase how the Resengo help desk and community are there to help you with any questions or challenges. See you there.